YouTube? I'm back with another unboxing. As you can see on the screen, I'm going to be unboxing the Air Jordan 13 Red Flints, or the Kevin Martin PEs, or the PE Houston Rockets, whatever you want to call them. Let me give you a little background on the Air Jordan 13s. They originally dropped back in 1997, and these were the last shoes that Jordan wore back when he was playing for the Chicago Bulls. He was just wrapping up his three-peat. Complete domination that year. I think Bulls went 70-12. It went crazy. These shoes were also in Spike Lee's movie He Got Game, where Denzel Washington wore them throughout the entire thing. The movie was starring Ray Allen. It was a big deal at the time. Great movie. And that's why we even gave the nickname to the black and white colorway, the black toes, the He Got Games. So they came out in 5 highs and 2 lows. So you got the playoffs, you got the He Got Games, or the black toe, you got the cherries, you got the breads, you got the iconic Flints. So when those dropped, crazy. I was in high school, out of control. And the 2 lows, you had the low navies and the low chutneys. Not really a big fan of the lows, but hey, to each his own, I guess. And these didn't retro again until about 2004 to late 2005. And they came up with some other colorways up until now. So these were actually inspired by Kevin Martin's actual PEs that we can't really see any footage of him actually wearing them in the game, but that's what happens. But you know. Alright, so now a little bit of history on Kevin Martin. Kevin Martin went to Western Carolina University. He was drafted 26th in the 2004 NBA draft to the Houston Rockets. He played for the Rockets. He played for the Sacramento Kings. He played for the San Antonio Spurs. He played for Minnesota Timberwolves, and then he ended his career at OKC. So he played about 12 seasons. He retired in 2016. He's been with the Jordan brand since 2008. So now we don't have any pictures of him or videos of him actually playing in a game in his PEs. But a couple of years ago on Instagram, they had some pictures showing that he had a PE, these red Flints. Instead of the Jordan logo on the tongue, actually has K12. So Kevin, and his number was 12 at the time when he played for the Houston Rockets. He's more remembered as being part of the Sacramento Kings, especially for me. That's when I kind of followed the guy, and he was actually hooping a little bit back then. So that's pretty cool. So now let's go ahead and get to this unboxing, man. So of course, 13 box. It's got the gray color, the red, kind of lets you know what's going to be inside. So let's go ahead and check these bad boys. Yeah, there they go. There they go. So, of course, these were designed by Tinker Hatfield, the genius behind the Air Jordan brand. And these things are definitely dope. Love the Flint colorway, you know, just like the blue ones. And this red is emerald red, and it actually has this Flint gray. It has black and has white on it. So yeah, so we don't get the K12. We get the Jordan logo, which I'm not mad at all, you know. And you know, got the iconic eye right here, you know. And yeah, real dope colorway. I really rock with them for real. It's more like a fall kind of shoe to me, because the red is a little like maroon a little bit. And of course, you know, goes real good with some jeans and all that. But yeah, these joints is really clean, man. I always love the sole of the 13s. 13s were one of my favorites of all time and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I think this is a good addition. Some people think that we really don't need these, you know, because we already got the Flints or whatever. But I'm not mad at a dope colorway at all, you know what I'm saying? Got the mesh. I heard this got the 3M reflective, so when you take pictures with it or some headlights hit you or something like that, boom, they're gonna see it. Yeah, but nah, man, they made it with good quality like the OGs. Yeah, you can't go wrong with these, man. I think these are cop for me. I wouldn't pass on these. I had to have these. So yeah. These pretty much, I think they're about 180 retail, you know. The resale is probably gonna get a little crazy after these kind of die down, you know, or they might be a bust where people really didn't want them. You know what I'm saying? So who knows? But I think that these are gonna be a shoe I'm gonna keep for a long time, man. I had some Flint 13s when they retroed them back in 04. Sold them like a dummy, man. I should have kept the things, yo, for real. But anyway, I'm definitely gonna keep these. These ones are definitely hot.